Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a disability pension in Delhi. First, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. You must be a Delhi resident for at least 5 years and have a disability of 40% or more, certified by a medical board. Your monthly income should not exceed the specified limit, and you must be between 18 and 60 years old. Meeting these requirements is the first step towards securing your pension. Gathering the correct documents is crucial for a smooth application process. You'll need a disability certificate from a government hospital, along with proof of residence like your Aadhaar card or voter ID. An income certificate from a competent authority is also necessary. Don't forget a copy of your bank passbook for direct benefit transfer and 2 recent passport-sized photographs. Having these ready will save you time. Once your documents are ready, the application process is straightforward. First, obtain the official application form from the Social Welfare Department. Carefully fill out all sections, ensuring accuracy in your personal details. Attach all the required documents you've prepared. Then, submit the complete application to your nearest district social welfare office. Remember to get an acknowledgement receipt for your records. After submitting your application, the authorities will verify your details. You can generally expect a decision within a few weeks. If approved, the pension amount will be directly credited to your bank account, providing valuable financial support. This pension helps cover daily needs and improves quality of life. For any updates or inquiries, feel free to contact the Social Welfare Department directly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.